gonna get up there and throw this fucker down, chop her down. So I'm using a monkey beaver harness, suspenders, some leg pads, Petzl adjustable bridge, and then I got a Zigzag Plus that I use for my device. And then I just ordered a soft lanyard. I find majority of the time when I'm using my steel cord lanyard, it just doesn't have the bend, you know, it just doesn't have the wobble like a normal rope would have. So I got a soft one. And also I just got a, damn, I forget the name, but the carabiner has a swivel on it. So when I attach it to my harness, sometimes it like pinches like this and wants to do this. Now it's gonna have free movement all the way around. It's gonna be much more comfortable. So there's that. Monkey beaver rope bag. And then Gecko aluminum 2.0s. And let's get this party started. So this is my CS2511T. It's dyed black, converted to a quarter pitch chain and bar. Both these setups for this quarter pitch is from Panther. I like their chains. They're aggressive. They don't have that extra safety raker like Still does. This is also a ported saw by Ripsaw. Gasket delete, flywheel. So the timing's advanced. The jets are ported, and the cylinder is ported as well, the intake and the exhaust. It's off. So let's fill her up and let's get started here.
You want somebody with you, or are you good? John, you want somebody with you?
I can't hear you. Got my headphones in.
Sorry, you want somebody with you, or are you good?
No, I'm good. Just keep an eye on me, that's all.
I got you.
Hurricane warning, let's go climb trees, everybody. I love ants. Don't you love ants? want to show you that here's the house, here's the pool deck. I just want you to know when the wind's blowing 15 miles an hour this way, I still put it in the middle. Just putting that out there. I'm sorry too, but you're getting wet. Yeah. Damn. Sorry tube if you get a little wet there. Yeah, it is what it is, you know. Trick is not to hit the pavement there. Like a bowling ball. Gumming up. Yo! Hey! Come move these chunks for me real quick. You're good, Nate. Let them do it. Keep doing what you're doing. Yeah, I think it's just two. Just give me a second, okay, Crowley?
Yeah.
Just stay there for a minute. Want to catch?
Yeah.
Here, catch. Gotta go a little lighter, the next one.
Shouldn't that be cutting through like butter?
Sometimes it's like, it's being funny. I feel like it's fogging up. I think the higher you are on a palm tree, the wetter it is, and it keeps gumming up the bar and the chain, and it's not, see how it's trying to bog down?
Yeah. Usually your saw just, it's like butter.
The problem. What's right there next to the fence?
No?
Yeah? Put it right there?
Yeah.
Put it right there?
Right here.
The fence.
You see the top of the fence, right?
Sorry, too, if I keep getting you dirty there. Wish I had something to wipe you off. John, Viking Landscape. The issue is what? Alright. See you later, buddy. Bye. That was almost the sayonara. I almost came down quicker than I expected. See that, Crowley? See how quicker it came through that time?
Yeah.
Woo. Oh, can I hand it to you? Here you go.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome. Here, Channy, you want a present? Oh, here, Caleb, you want another present?
Yeah,
there you
sure.
go.
I better be in this video.
I think you're going to. Here, come tell him. Come tell him. I hope you all enjoyed the palm tree removal.
Have a
We
good
just
day.
wanna say to you, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah. See you on the next one. Toodle doodle.